Hey guys, welcome back to Reviews and How-Tos. I'm Tyler. Today we're checking out this extension cord here that was sent to us by the manufacturer. Now this one's pretty unique. It is 6.5 feet long, and then boom, right here in the middle you have a little on and off switch. So if you want to use, something like this to easily turn something off and on that you always are needing to unplug and plug in, not any longer, you'll have this little guy. So easily plugs in, 3-prong plug right there, as you can see. And then we'll go ahead and take one of our things right here and plug it in and make sure that works. So light went out on there, light is currently off, and turn it back on and the light turns back on. So off. There's a capacitor in there, so that'll stay lit just for a second. But yeah, overall 6.5 feet long, rated for 125 volts, 3 amps. Max power on this is going to be 500 watts. And of course, it's a 3-wire plug that is UL certified. So once again, go ahead, check this one out.